Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm doing another clean with me. If you're in need of a little weekend cleaning motivation, so feel free to have me on in the background so we can clean together. First off, I'm starting in the kitchen. It had been on my list to clear away the Halloween decor and have just a good all-round general clean and tidy up. I also wanted to show you a few new Halloween additions that I picked up after my Halloween decor tour went up. The first one is this sign I got in the sale from Waitrose. I think it was about £2, and I love how this was double-sided. I actually ended up putting this in my coffee corner where that coffee sign was. If you'd seen my decor tour video, I mentioned that I was looking for a sign to put up there, so I was really pleased when I found this. I also found this cute Ray Dunn plate in the sale from TK Maxx. And speaking of Ray Dunn, I bought this mate mug from HomeSense for Ben. I've become a little bit obsessed with anything Ray Dunn lately, if you can't tell. But this actually had a sticky label on that I found hard to get off. So a great tip that I actually got from Vasa Beauty's channel is to use a small piece of damp magic eraser sponge to easily remove the rest of the label. Next, after I'd taken all the Halloween decor down, I just gave everything a good sort of deep clean and just wiped down all the surfaces and cleaned the hob, and also just wiped down the drawers and cupboards. I have been using my favourite, you guys know, method, all-purpose spray, and also the white vinegar to clean with at the moment, but I will be doing a cleaning supplies haul soon because I wanted to pick up some new and different things to try. So let me know if you want to see that kind of video soon. Moving on to the bedroom, I had already thoroughly cleaned in here, but I hadn't got around to hoovering the carpet, so I just decided to do this quickly as I was about to clean our ensuite bathroom upstairs too. And also, you guys, if you have any recommendations for hoovers that are lightweight and are easy to carry, then please let me know in the comments down below, and also obviously do a good job at hoovering, because this one is about ready to go. It doesn't seem to hoover up properly. That's why I kind of use the smaller hoover attachment to hoover up the little bits on the carpet. It's a bit of a job, and I would just like something more manageable that also doesn't take up as much storage space as well. Lastly, I finished up in the bathroom and gave everything a good clean. I like to use a mix of bicarb of soda and white vinegar to clean the sink, shower and toilet. So I usually just sprinkle this on first and let it soak in while I clean and hoover the rest of the bathroom. And actually, I would love to know in the comments down below which room in the house you always start with when cleaning. For me, I think it's definitely always the kitchen most times, as I feel once I've got the kitchen under control, I can tackle anything else with ease that needs cleaning in the house, if you see what I mean. I think the kitchen for me is sort of like the hub of the house, so this is generally where I would always start. To finish in the bathroom, I just put some of the Ecover toilet cleaner down the loo, and I changed up the bin liner and sprinkled some rosemary essential oil in the liner just to help it smell a bit nicer. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this gave you some motivation if you're wanting to clean this weekend. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a wonderful weekend guys, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.